This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus SHO. It features a 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, a sport suspension, power-adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, 19-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and an anti-theft protection system. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Midway Ford Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2777 Snelling Avenue North in Roseville.